So now that we've gone over the basics of line drawing, let's put some of these things into practice. So you notice I have revisited our shoe again from our gesture. I've given myself a little bit of lighting to create a little bit more depth. And we're just going to be working on line. And I think of my composition. Where am I going to place this? Where is it going to be on the page? And I'm going to put it down here in about the bottom 2/3 of the page. And I'm going to start drawing very, very lightly. I'm going to sketch it in, and I'm going to take my time. So I'm using some of the mark making that I certainly use when working on a gesture. But I'm slowing down and sketching this in. The negative shape of the opening of the shoe becomes very important. What's that shape? Right. So unlike a gesture, I'm trying to be a little bit more accurate. I'm more concerned with placement and proportion. But I'm also drawing from my shoulders still. So I have enough of a skeleton or a structure laid in here that I feel comfortable enough or confident enough that I have my placement good, I have my proportions are all right, and it gives me a kind of a blueprint or a beginning or a foundation to start growing up out of. So at this time, I can start drawing with a little bit heavier of a hand as I start to build these things up. And again, I'm really looking at how I can use or manipulate this line and again, I'm not going to stay in one place too long. I'm still moving around the entire shoe. So my goal is to just slowly build everything up and then start focusing on the details. Look at your object as much as possible. Don't spend all your time looking at your paper. Looking at the object is very important. And if you get in a position where you need to change, then by all means, put your body or your hand, in the position that you need to draw what needs to be drawn. So there'll be times when you'll have to move around your drawing. It's a nice little lip off here. Coming down, trying to get the rubber on this sole. Look for these little finite little details that gives you a nice description of what it is you're drawing. You'll see that often I may put my hand on the paper, and with this particular one I can keep my hand in the same place and just slowly kind of build up a thicker, heavier line where the bottom of that shoe is. I'm going to try to emphasize this bottom line, not only because it's the bottom of the shoe, so that's where it's weighted and where it's making contact with the table. Right. I'm especially going to make it darker this front part. This part is closer to us, this part is further back, this part of the shoe is further back from us. So I like to think of it as the closer it is to you, in general, you will think about making that line tighter, darker, where the lines in the back can literally, kind of fade out or fuzz out. They're not as dominant. You don't need them to be dominant. Now I'm going to start sketching in these shoelaces now that I'm a little bit more confident in the placement of everything. If I feel like it as the artist, I may shift or move something. You have that freedom, or that artistic freedom. Like this shoelace, I'm going to push it and force it to sort of overlap. In reality, it stops here, but as the artist, I'm going to kind of overlap it with the bottom of the shoe. I'm staying light. I'm still trying to move throughout the whole picture. So I have this shoelace sketched in. That gives me the confidence I need to come in and stop and think, where on your drawing, do you want to emphasize certain traits or characteristics of that drawing? I mean, again, remember, you have full power to draw as light as that, but as thick and dark or as heavy as that. All right, there's a lot of different levels of darkness. So typically when something's closer to me, I will try to accentuate that by doing a thicker, darker, heavier line. This wraps around this shoelace is in front of the one below it, so I will try to make my mark a little bit thicker. I will certainly try to make it a heavier mark. So this gives you a basic idea of line drawing. Again, think thick, thin, light, hard, soft. Always think what is closer to you or what's further away from you.